Hey guys, Sean here with Cooking with Sean. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stuffed crust pizza. Homemade. 14-inch pan, pizza sauce, some mozzarella sticks, pizza dough, oil spray, flour, rolling pin, and your toppings. Cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. I have some pepperoni here. I'm just going to keep it simple. Cheese and pepperoni. I'm going to flour my work. So what I'm doing right now is just stretching the dough and overhanging it. So if you can see this, it's the inside. So I'm just pressing it in just with the side of my arm, with my hand there, sorry. You have something like this, so you're ready to set your cheese sticks now. Okay guys, so I have my matzo sticks here. I have about 7 of them here, ready to go. And while you're doing this, make sure you preheat your oven to 425. So these are the sticks. So just press them in against the pan. Spread them out evenly. Okay. It looks something like this. And then we're going to fold these in. So I'm just sealing these matzo sticks in so they don't come out. There you go. It looks something like this. If you're not confident with your work, take a fork and start poking them right here so they'll stick. And then our pizza sauce right here. I think these are 2-ounce ladles, so I'm using 4. Yep. Maybe add one more. Your matzo, it's already shredded. Let's take this. So cheese is on. I'm just adding pepperoni, like I said. If you want to add more toppings, by all means, try to split up your cheese. Put a base of cheese, put your toppings, and then put a little bit on top. And voila. Now take your pizza, throw it in the oven, which is heating at 425 for about 20 minutes. There you have it. Now you sit and wait for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes, it'll look something like this. Take a spatula, slide it onto your ring. And then depending on your slice, I'm going to cut this into 12. Guess we can cut it into 8. It'll be a bigger slice. There you guys have it. Just cut out one slice. See the cheese inside? Be careful, it's hot. Eat at your own discretion. Hope you guys enjoyed your homemade stuffed crust pizza. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Easy homemade recipes.